process of putting all the forms up takes a long time. Definitely faster than doing it by hand. The nailer puts less stress on you and makes everything faster.
Fewer times you have to swing a hammer, definitely reduces the toll on the body, on your joints.
I don't have to break my back as much. My wrist is better, my elbows, all of it. It's just all around easier. On a fully charged battery with the Milwaukee nailer, I can get an entire day out of it. A lot of the other Duplex nailers pull a nail out the top of the head, usually pulls off, where Milwaukee's nail is a little bit further apart. So it's a lot easier to get your hammer in there, and it pulls out in one stroke. The best Duplex nailer I've ever used in my 10-year career, and I would suggest it on every job site.